About this item, white heavy checkmark 4x PCIe 10 SATA provides 10 SATA 3.0 ports and 10 SATA cables, supports simultaneous connection of 10 SATA hard drives with a transmission speed of up to 6 Gbps. White heavy checkmark product chip built-in ASM1166 plus JMB575 chips, which improves the stability and compatibility of this PCIe to SATA card. This card also has a heatsink for long-lasting high-temperature resistance. White heavy checkmark extensive compatibility support Windows XP/2003/7/8/10, 32/64-bit/Mac and other operating systems. Linux is not supported. The PCIe SATA card is compatible with PCIe X4, X8, X16 slots. White heavy checkmark products include PCIe 4X SATA card 10 ports 1, SATA cable 10, low profile bracket 1, driver CD1 product manual *1. White heavy checkmark reliable support. Our products have been tested for function and durability. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us, we will reply you within 12 hours.